Pepper soup spice is a traditional blend of aromatic spices used in Nigerian cuisine to prepare various types of pepper soup. It imparts a robust and spicy flavor to the broth. The spice mix is essential for achieving the authentic taste of pepper soup and is a staple in many Nigerian households. Let me show you how it's done. For the full list of ingredients, do check the description below. Let's get right into it. Before making pepper soup spice, we'll start by toasting the ingredients. This is done to intensify the flavors and also ensure it doesn't get rancid and lasts longer in storage. You can toast the ingredients together in a pan or leave them to toast in an oven. In this, we'll start by toasting all the ingredients one by one so you can see them clearly. First, we'll start with the Negro pepper. Once we're done toasting, we'll grind it into fine powder. Next, we'll toast the cloves and grind it as well. Next, we'll toast the uziza seeds and grind it as well. Next, we'll toast the calabash nutmeg and grind it as well. Add the ginger powder and mix to combine. And your pepper soup spice is ready. This can now be used to make your chicken pepper soup, fish pepper soup, assorted meat pepper soup, and so on. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future posts. Till next time,